Hello everyone, this is Ghazal Bhamra. Welcome to Bhamra's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Maharashtra's favorite dish, misal pav. So to make misal, we need these ingredients. This is boiled matki, vatana, which is peas, and I have taken some little moong dal also. I have soaked them for some 5 hours and then have boiled it. If you want sprouts, you can go accordingly. We need this chilies, which gives good color, and a bit of spice, coconut, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onions for garnish, misal masala, and salt to taste. So to make misal, first we will take oil. The oil shall be around 100 to 120 ml. If you want the quantity precise, I am putting 3 to 4 serving spoons. Because misal needs a lot of oil, otherwise the taste is not going to settle. So the oil is heating, and now we are going to put this I have taken 5 chili stands. We need to fry them. See. Once you see they have become like this fluffy, we are going to remove it out. We don't want them to burn, so we have to remove them fast. After this we are going to add coconut. The quantity for coconut I have taken is 1/4 portion of small coconut. We are going to roast them light brown, not too much. See, now it's done. Like this we have to do. इतना ज़्यादा brown नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा. And now we are going to blend this without adding water to it. We don't have to add water in it, and I'm going to blend this. So we have blended this way without adding water. Do not add even a drop of water to it. The oil is already hot, and we're going to pour this. Mix it just for a few seconds, shall be fine. After mixing, now I have taken one big size of tomato, which is finely chopped, adding to it. Now we are going to saute tomatoes for some like 4 to 5 minutes till the oil is not separate from them. The flame should be low. Fast पे नहीं करना है, not even the medium flame. Now after a minute or two, what we are going to do is, we are going to add this masala of misal. So I am going to add according to my spice, or like somehow 2 spoons, because we like it spicy. Mix it well. We don't need to put chili powder in this, as we have already put that chili, which is also going to give color and a bit of spice. You can see how it is. Keep mashing in between. This process goes on for 4 to 5 minutes. Let the oil come out. After 2-3 minutes it is still dry, so the quantity of oil is less. I am going to add 1 more spoon of oil. And then see, it has to be like this. We need to keep on mashing the tomatoes, because tomatoes should not come in your mouth directly. Telling about the misal masala, you can take any of the masala you like. I particularly use Suhana masala. Whichever masala you prefer, you can put. Just don't take that pre-mixed masala, because in that you have some sprouts also over it. So take any powdered masala. Everest is also good, but Suhana is the best. आप इतना आप देख सकते हैं. So this is done now. ये हो गया है. Now we are going to add water to it. Now in this jar we have put some 2.5 glass water. So you can put 3 glass also, but depends. 2.5 glass is the precise quantity if we put, क्योंकि हमने एक बड़ा bowl sprouts का लिया हुआ है. I'm not even putting 2.5 glass. You can see this is fine. Now we just need to add salt to it. That's all. Salt is going to happen, like you can put it according to your taste. Now this is supposed to go on for like next 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame, not on the lower flame. Look at the color, it is so nice. This is just because of those chilies we have put. Now we are going to add the pulses to it. Remove all the boiled water from the pulses because that will not give you a good color and a taste too. So I have removed all the water. Now as you can see, 2 glasses of water is enough for this. And we don't need to cover the lid. जैसा है इसको ऐसे ही ओपन हम 10-15 मिनट्स के लिए होने देंगे. लेट द ऑयल सेपरेट. वी विल कम टू नो कि ऑयल अभी सेपरेट हो गया है बहुत अच्छे से. एंड आफ्टर 10-15 मिनट्स ऑन मीडियम फ्लेम यू कैन जस्ट स्विच ऑफ द फ्लेम इफ़ यू थिंक और करना है आपको और थोड़ा थिकनेस चाहिए. गो ऑन टिल मोर 5 मिनट्स. नाउ यू कैन सी ऑयल सेपरेट हो गया है एंड द मिसल इज़ रेडी टू सर्व. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सर्व द मिसल. And now we are going to put some, keeping the paws and then just adding some farsan. Onion is optional if you want, with coriander leaf and lemon to taste. And your misal is ready to have.